starting to crack right there. Gone through several of those. Bike lock mounts. I'll have to replace it. I think I have a few of those left. I have some footage that I think I want to include on the channel, and so I'll cue it up. I have some rides on my one wheel that I recorded a while back, maybe even like last winter. Might be fun to post. And I'm sure I'd also have some fun recording some new ones. You know, this channel doesn't have to be just about the bike, although my bike gets most of my attention these days. I've been enjoying recording these videos and having an archive, but I've been struggling with the posting, mostly because so much of my work is already behind a computer. Doing more stuff behind a computer it's difficult for me to find the time. I find that my desire is to peel away from the screen. But I'm determined to, I think one thing I'm thinking about is creating like some office hours. It sounds kind of silly, but I want to create a period of time, an hour and a half every day, where I do some maintenance, do some proactive work on a couple of the YouTube channels and websites that I run. Even if it's just simply like I run a couple of YouTube channels for some friends of mine. This one is just sort of a relaxing dump of content so that I can enjoy the views of being outside. On a rainy day, or I can enjoy what my commutes and adventures used to look like. Say I don't live in New York at some point in the future. At least I have a beautiful little, I guess you could say, video diary, video blog I can return to as like a memory of some of the beautiful sights. But for the channels that require some more strategy, and I'm also open to seeing what we can do with this one. They require some time. They require some intentionality. They require some more work and even more editing. And I want to open up a window where I can find that time to not just be reactive, to feel like I'm trying. Finally, oh my gosh, I can't speak. I'm trying to, essentially I'm just trying to shift my perspective. I'm trying to shift from feeling like I'm always behind, feeling like I'm always reacting to things. I'm trying to be a little bit more proactive, get ahead of the curve a little bit. And I think setting aside some time, some intentional time, and doing an editing session, for a designated set of time, I don't know, that just sounds positive to me. I think that's an antidote to the difficulty of my creative practice at the moment. All that being said, today one of my hopes was to start that practice, but I slept in, so it's all talk at the moment. I need to shut up and put it to action, and then the true test is keeping it in a routine. And I don't know. I'm happier when I have a little bit of discipline in my life. So I guess I will log how I'm feeling in these journals, and maybe we'll see some improvement in my habits. Thanks. Yeah, I know I don't always talk in these, but I think it's fun to think out loud, and maybe somebody can relate to the daily struggle of always wanting to do something but never knowing how to put it to action. And I know I've had these conversations many times with friends who are great artists. So appreciate your time, everybody. Have a wonderful day.